Good morning. You ready to go do chores?
Right now.
Okay, let her out. You coming? You coming? Sometimes she doesn't want to come. Come on, come on, come on. Sometimes she cocks her head like this when she's not so sure. Come here. Sometimes she gives me kisses in the morning. Do I get a kiss? I get a kiss this morning? Those are chickens, Laurel. Those are your friends. Hey guys, good morning. Everybody's eating their breakfast. What do you think, Laurel? Can you be friends with them? See, we don't want her to eat them. We want you to be friends with them. Okay? So we're showing them to you at a young age. Laurel, there's your friend. I actually think these two are best friends.
Laurel!
My guess is she went back to the porch. Have you seen Laurel? Laurel, you on the porch? Nope. Maybe she went under the bus. Maybe the garage or the basement. I heard her. The kids found her. Here she is. Here she is. Good morning, sirs. How you doing? I got a visitor for you. This is not food. Do not eat our dog. They don't know.
Probably uninterested.
Got a little treat for you, Laurel. These are little chicks. Yeah.
Papa!
Laurel, got a special treat. Oh, got a special treat for you. You like that? Chicken broth and the leftover chicken from the broth. You love that. Dogs love chicken.
He's eating you. Good boy. Good dog.
You know where Laurel is?
Yeah, under the couch.
Okay, she's got to go with us. We got to find Laurel. Do you know where Laurel is? There she is. You gonna carry her? You gonna be the one to carry her?
She's heavy.
Lily, does she like riding in the car?
No, but she likes sleeping in the car.
How was the trip, Laurel? You okay?
Okay for her. You like
It was
that
a long trip. Lily, are you going swimming with Laurel? You think she'll go down the slide?
Maybe.
Did you like that? Not so much.
That was loud. Whoa! This is Queen Shell
Oh,
and King Cougar.
you want to meet some kittens, Laurel?
Nope. Okay,
Ooh.
never mind.
They're a little different than Almanzo and Royal. You just can't rough those kittens up. I got an animal you've never met before.
But we're going.
Donald! Meet a very special guard goose. He's doing his job. Hey, Laurel. Ooh. You're doing a good job guarding the flock. Thank you. She does not like us getting close to this broody duck. See the broody duck?
I'm grabbing right now.
All right. Boy, he doesn't like us up here by this broody duck.
He's hard.
Okay, we're backing up. Okay, we getting him out of here. You're doing a good job.
I don't want to catch him when he's mad like that.
Come on, you don't want to catch the hissing goose? Look, he's making sure we get out of here. Look.
You can catch him. I'll catch him.
You gonna catch him?
I think I
Everybody keep him. He's gonna get mad to that.
There you go. Oh! Get him on that. You got him on that neck, Laurel. He can't get you now.
Can I touch him? No, he's bad. He's big.
Donald, I'm proud of you, buddy. We won't go any further. I don't want to stress you out too much.
Okay, who's
I think
ready to release
I think
him?
he's directing most of that at her. I think.
I think so. I think so.
Okay.
Not us, it's her. Come here, you gotta see these big pigs. Come here.
The little pig and big pig.
Look at the huge pigs, Laurel.
They're mighty.
Don't lay down too long in there, Laurel. What kind of pigs are these?
They're American guinea hogs.
Oh wow, look at the big guy. Is that the big guy?
Yeah, that's him.
How much does he weigh?
I think he weighs about 250.
And that's funny, that's a small breed pig. You got a treat for him?
Yeah. Watermelon.
Did you want to see Laurel? You want to pet her?
I'll tell
Want to pet her?
He doesn't want to pet her, he wants to play with the leash. Okay.
All right, pet her, and she's gonna go see the goat. He probably wants to hold the leash.
We're fine.
Let's go, Brown. Laurel, you want to see goats? You've never, ever seen a goat.
She's afraid of the goat.
It's a girl.
What's her name? Well, they're both afraid of each other. No one move. No one move and he'll come up to you. Put your back on him.
You're not afraid of the dog. You just want to get away from me. You're like, what is this? She's like,
She's
no,
freaking
I
out
don't
about the
think so.
dog.
I don't think so. I'm going back to mommy.
That makes a run.
Will you go get her some water out of the hose? The water hose is off, Mr. Brown.
I'll turn it back on, Mom. Papa.
Okay. I'll go turn it on right here. We gotta get the puppy water. She's thirsty. Okay, I turned it on.
Then it comes out.
Give it a second. There it is. All right, and you want to take that into her?
Done.
Let me turn it off. Gotta turn it off. Okay, take her the water.
Pop.
Carry it careful.
Put one in the out. I put one in the out. Without the water. If we need that water.
Live on its own. You couldn't leave that baby. We're back on the farm. It's where you want to be. Thank you for not doing that in the garden, Laurel. We appreciate that very much. Mr. Brown, you carrying the cats? They want to go with us?
Yeah. I got one.
All right.
Mama, look.
What have you caught there?
I caught a mad kitten.
Flying all the way down. You like that hairy vetch flower? It's pretty.
You're fun.
Taking a break for some water. Hey, we've got one last thing before we put you to bed. You getting hungry? You getting hungry? You're thirsty, but are you hungry? Come here, Laurel. Look. This will make you want to eat that. Stir that in. There you go. She likes the egg.